Are you okay?
My leg hurts.
Are you okay?
My leg hurts.
Sit down slowly.
Okay.
Sit down slowly.
Okay.
Any bleeding?
No blood.
Any bleeding?
No blood.
Which leg?
Left leg.
Which leg?
Left leg.
Do not move it.
It hurts when I try.
Do not move it.
It hurts when I try.
I see some swelling.
Is it bad?
I see some swelling.
Is it bad?
We should be careful.
Please help me.
We should be careful.
Please help me.
I will raise your leg.
That feels better.
I will raise your leg.
That feels better.
Stay calm.
I am calm.
Stay calm.
I am calm.
I will call your family.
Call my brother.
I will call your family.
Call my brother.
He is coming.
Thank you so much.
He is coming.
Thank you so much.